Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate the standard procedure to check error codes in a Daikin VRV master outdoor unit using the outdoor PCB controller. This procedure is recommended for service engineers and HVAC technicians for accurate fault identification. Objective of the procedure. The objective of this process is to diagnose system abnormalities efficiently by accessing the unit's internal fault memory. This method allows technicians to retrieve error information without using external diagnostic tools, thereby reducing troubleshooting time and improving service accuracy. System requirements. Before proceeding, ensure the following conditions are met. The Daikin VRV outdoor unit is powered on. Access to the outdoor PCB controller is available. And all safety precautions are followed while working inside the outdoor unit panel. Error code checking procedure. Step 1. Mode button operation. First, locate the control interface on the outdoor PCB. Press the mode button once. This action initiates the diagnostic selection mode on the controller. Step 2. Set button operation. Next, press the set button 17 times. This step is critical as it navigates the controller to the error code monitoring function within the diagnostic menu. Step 3. Return button operation. After completing the set button sequence, press the return button once. The controller will now display the main error code, indicating the primary system fault. Step 4. Main error code interpretation. Observe the display carefully. The main error code, such as U0, U4, L5 or P1, represents the general fault category, including refrigerant issues, communication errors, inverter problems, or sensor-related faults. Step 5. Subcode verification. To obtain detailed fault information, press the set button again. The display will show the subcode, which provides precise identification of the affected component, circuit, or operating condition. Technical notes and best practices. It is strongly recommended to record both the main code and subcode before resetting the system. Always cross-reference the displayed codes with the Daikin VRV service manual to ensure correct diagnosis. Avoid clearing error history before completing root cause analysis, as this may result in repeated failures or misdiagnosis. This concludes the Daikin VRV Master Outdoor Unit Error Code Checking Procedure. If you find this technical guide useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For more professional HVAC and Daikin VRV service content, stay connected. Thank you.